Hi everyone, welcome to Yamchan food. Today, I'm gonna make Japanese steamed rice by using a pot. We usually cook rice with a rice cooker, but you can also cook perfect Japanese steamed rice with a pot. Alright, let's get started. Measure 3 cups of rice. If you don't have a 180 ml measuring cup, use a small cup like the above to measure the same amount of rice and water. Basically, we measure it a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water. Make sure reducing about 10% of water when cooking sushi rice. Rinse the rice by changing the water around 4 times until the water becomes clear. Add 3 cups of water. Soak the rice in water for at least 30 minutes. If you don't have time, you can cook it after immediately rinsing it though. Soaking rice in water for some time and then cooking, it makes the rice even fluffier. Cook it over medium-high heat until boiling. If it's about to boil over, turn down the heat a little bit. Never open the lid. Simmer over low-medium heat for 3 minutes after boiling. Then simmer over low heat for 7 minutes. When the time comes, turn off the heat and steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix the rice like cutting with a spatula as soon as it's cooked. Add a lot of air and mix it so that the rice will become nice and fluffy. The perfect Japanese glossy rice is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!